I know a place where we can go to lay the troubles down, eating your soul. I know a place where mercy flows. Take the stains, make you whiter than snow. Like a tide, it is rising up deep inside a current that moves and makes it come alive. Living water.
Well, good morning. We are back out at the boat project. I think the last time you saw me, we were tearing it apart, trying to figure out what was going on with it. And we're going to start with this Bennett trim tab pump that we pulled out and test it and see if it's good. So we watched a bunch of YouTube videos, and it was really nice because they explained exactly how to do it. You take your ground wire and you hook it up to your negative on your battery, and take your positive, and you can touch it to each one of the 4 prongs in there. You've got your green and your red wires operate your solenoids, and then your blue and your yellow wires operate the pump. So if I touch this red one, we should hear a click. That's good. The green is good, so it looks like both my solenoids are operating just fine. So this one should be the pump. We should hear the pump come on. Okay, that's not good. Let's see the other direction. That's not good either. So what that tells us is the solenoids are good, but our pump is either seized or locked or it's bad. So we're going to have to go and get a new pump, which most likely means a trip to West Marine in a little bit here. All right, so while we were out and about last week in the boat, you may have seen where I had to jump up here and fix the light, the navigation light. Green on one side, red on the other. The problem is the wires have been so corroded, and over the years they got shorter and shorter and shorter. So we found inside where we can make those wires longer. We got a wire stretcher. I'm just kidding. There's no such thing as a wire stretcher. So this may be a familiar sight. Everything's open and unplugged and torn apart. We're plugged into shore power right now, so at least our electrical outlets work, and so I got a light. There's Grandpa. For those of you who don't know, this is my dad. You can say hello, Dad. Hi. Smile. There you go. He is an electrician by trade, retired, so I brought him down to help me. Can I steal your flashlight for a second? I'll give it right back. So in here we have found that wire, sorry about the video, that wire right there is our bow light, our navigation lights. So we will take that silicone right there, scrape it out, and we should be able to pull this length of wire out through the hole some more. And that'll give us enough room up front to reattach those lights with some clean wire, and you shouldn't have to really replace anything or pull anything. Just pull that through and reseal it. And I'm sure my wife will be thrilled to know that I've taken the front of her interior part cushion, and there was a door cover. That goes up there. All right, so we pulled the main switch controller. What are we looking for there, Grandpa?
Well, there's a fade wire in there. Just it's so tight in there.
One of the joys of working on a boat is everything is nice and tight. So if you can see that wire right at the end of my finger there, that is frayed and kind of burned up. And you got AC unit down there. So we're trying to figure out certain things are working and certain things are not when we're plugged into shore power. We don't know why. There's no batteries in the vehicle, so you are in the boat, so you should be So a boating fridge has an AC for when you're on shore power, and these black and red wires are the DC for when you're running it off the battery. So both are plugged in, neither has worked. Got that fried wire back there, so we're trying to figure out where that goes to, and we're trying to get access just so we can see where everything is going. So yeah, we've got the boat taken apart. It's a mess.
In the pain of growing up, the bliss between giving my all and giving up, the highs and lows, paths and roads I chose in the cold I froze.